How to add your name on your iPhone lock screen. Let's start with the first method using your iPhone's built-in settings. Super simple. Open Settings, go to Focus, and tap the plus icon. Select Custom and type your name or any message you like. Choose your favorite color and an icon that represents you. Scroll down, tap Customize Focus, and you're all set. Now activate your custom focus mode from the control center, and boom! Your name appears on the lock screen, along with the focus icon at the top. Okay, so maybe you want to go a step further and add your text as a widget. Here's how. Open the App Store and search for a text widget. Download a simple widget app. This one we're using is super beginner-friendly. Once installed, open the app, follow the tutorial, and type your custom text or even emojis. Now, let's add that widget to the lock screen. Enter edit mode by long pressing on the lock screen and tapping Customize. Tap Add. Widget. Select the text widget app and drag it to any slot. Adjust the widget size and placement. You can even add multiple widgets for different messages. And there you have it. Your lock screen is now uniquely you. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more cool iPhone tricks, and share this video with your friends.